हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम लोग कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करेंगे विच मे हेल्पफुल फॉर योर एग्जाम. फर्स्ट देयर इज आयोडीन टेस्ट यूज फॉर द प्रेजेंस ऑफ. तो जो आयोडीन टेस्ट है इट इज यूज टू प्रेजेंस ऑफ स्टार्च. इफ देयर इज a starch solution in a sample and you put the iodine some drop, that color turns into blue in color. So presence of blue in color indicate the presence of starch in a given solution. So in your book there is a one experiment given, like this is a tube, two tube is there, tube A and tube B. Tube A and tube B. Tube A and tube B both containing what? Starch. Starch and starch. Put a small amount of starch in both the tubes, and the first tube, in what you have to do in first tube, put a small amount of salivary amylase. Salivary amylase. So as you know the function of salivary amylase, it breaks starch into maltose. Starch into maltose. Maltose में convert कर देता है. And this solution don't contain the enzyme salivary amylase. So when you put this solution in both of the solution, when you put the iodine and this also put the iodine, which one turns into the bluish in color? That B1 turns into bluish in color. Blue in color. Why? Because that starch remain in the solution because there is no salivary amylase. And in this solution, when you add the salivary amylase, it breaks the starch into maltose. So first correct answer, iodine test used for the presence of starch. Clear? Next one, which one have parasitic nutrition? As you know, parasite are those organisms which are mostly pathogen and cause disease and live inside the host and take nutrient directly from the host. They are called parasite. So Cuscuta is a plant parasite, leech is also a parasite, and tapeworm is endoparasite. That is an all. So the correct answer is all. They all are parasite. Clear, beta? Next, role of KOH, potassium hydroxide. So in your book, one experiment given about the CO2. CO2 is essential for the photosynthesis. Role of CO2 in photosynthesis. So when you take the two beaker and containing the plant, and one beaker contain KOH and one do not contain KOH, without KOH. So which one contain KOH? It absorb all the CO2 which are produced during the process of respiration in the plant, and this do not contain KOH, so CO2 is remain. So that CO2 used by the plant for the photosynthesis, and here there is no photosynthesis. No photosynthesis because CO2 is absent. So what is the role of KOH? Absorption of CO2. Correct answer is first one. Clear beta? Next, which act as a biological catalyst? Biological catalysts are enzymes. Enzymes which help in the chemical reaction and break down the substance and increase the rate of reaction. That is called biological catalyst. Enzyme bind to the substrate. Enzyme bind to the substrate and that give the product. Product that form and enzyme again reuse. एंजाइम बार बार यूज कर सकते हैं, वो खत्म नहीं होते. So enzyme are protein in nature, they are biocatalyst. Enzyme bind to the substrate and give the product. So that correct answer is enzyme, D1. Clear beta? Next, a complete site for the digestion is. So digestion completed in small intestine. लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन एब्जॉर्प्शन मोस्टली स्टमक में आपको पता है कि पेप्सिनेशियल सारे एंजाइम निकलते हैं, या गैस्ट्रिक जूस स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन में, क्योंकि बिकॉज इन स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन इंटेस्टाइनल जूस सिक्रीटेड, इंटेस्टाइनल जूस इट गिव द एंड प्रोडक्ट. अब प्रोटीन को ब्रेक करेगा अमीनो एसिड में, फैट को फैटी एसिड ग्लिसरॉल में, और कार्ब आपको माल्टोज को ग्लूकोज में. सो दैट इज डाइजेशन कंप्लीटेड इन स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन. नेक्स्ट द रोल ऑफ म्यूकस. तो एलिमेंट्री कैनाल जीआई ट्रैक में मोस्ट ऑफ द रीजन में म्यूकस निकलता है. दैट हेल्प इन द पेरिस्टाल्सिस आल्सो. पेरिस्टाल्सिस क्या है? रिदमिक कॉन्ट्रैक्शन ऑफ द मसल हेल्प इन द मूवमेंट ऑफ द फूड molecule throughout the alimentary canal. That is called peristalsis. Protection, because mucus also adhere the microbes and provide the protection. engulf कर लेता है उनको, ट्रैप कर लेता है माइक्रोब्स को. lubrication is also provide for the peristalsis and for the movement of the food. Correct answer is all. Clear beta? pancreatic enzyme required. Her enzyme are active. Enzyme are specific for the action and then required the pH and temperature. If the enzyme in high temperature, they denatured and lost their activity. In the low temperature, they are inactive. So enzyme required that specific temperature and pH. That pancreatic enzyme, trypsin and lipase, it required which type of pH? Alkaline condition. Correct answer. And if you say acidic for the gastric juices, because HCl is present, so pepsin required acidic condition for the activity. Clear beta? Bile juice act on. Bile juice आपको कहाँ से निकलता है? That secreted from the liver and stored in the gallbladder. Bile juice containing no enzyme, but it still have bile salt. So it help in the emulsification of the fat. That emulsified fat then act by the enzymes lipase and then break down into the simpler form. Clear beta? Next, unicellular organism mostly have which type of process? So unicellular because they are single cell. Diffusion they have, because diffusion is a passive process. They are single cell, direct contact with the environment. So exchange of the gases, excretion, digestion, nutrition, all the process take to the diffusion. So that is unicellular. Bacteria, Euglena, Paramecium. So this is an important question that in your life process. ठीक है बेटा?